In today's video, I'm going to teach you Lovable MCP Server not working. Fix it fast. If your Lovable MCP Server isn't connecting properly, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to plan access, the server URL, authentication, or a small configuration problem. We're going to walk through the key fixes in a clear order so you can get everything working again quickly. First, go to Lovable and confirm that your plan actually supports the MCP server. Right now, the Lovable MCP Server is available in Research Preview for Pro and Business plans. If you're on the free plan, the server won't work until you upgrade, so it's important to check this before troubleshooting anything else. Next, verify that you're using the official MCP server URL. The correct address is https mcp.lovable.dev. Make sure there are no typos, extra characters, or formatting mistakes. Also, be sure you're using HTTPS, not HTTP, because even a small difference there can stop the connection completely. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and that nothing on your device or network is blocking access to the server. This can include a firewall, VPN, antivirus software, or restrictions on a work or school network. If you're on a corporate network, it can help to test again from a different network to rule out access restrictions. Now remove the existing Lovable connector from your MCP client and add it again using the official URL. Reconnecting from scratch often clears out cached settings or broken connection details that may be causing the problem. You should also complete the OAuth authentication again. If the original sign-in failed, timed out, or expired, the server may appear connected but still won't work correctly. Remove the existing authorization, reconnect the MCP server, sign back into your Lovable account, and approve the requested permissions. This is one of the most common fixes. Once that's done, fully restart your MCP client, close the application completely, then reopen it. Some MCP-compatible apps only recognize newly added or updated servers after a full restart, so this step is easy to overlook but very important. If your client uses a configuration file instead of like a visual setup screen, review that file carefully. Confirm the JSON is valid, make sure there is only one MCP server's object, and verify that the Lovable entry points to https:/mcp.lovable.dev. A small formatting issue in the config can